and let the play go on. I think that's what Cowboy fans are upset about. You know, a lot of praise McVay's way, as it should, but praise should go towards Wade Phillips too, because their game plan was very obvious. I thought defensively. We talked about it on Friday.
All right, guys. So this is actually footage from Monday, and it was pouring in Los Angeles, and it is a dangerous place to drive in the rain like this. So I get out of that lane.
If they were to lose tomorrow night, I don't think they're gonna win. But that would be,
Yeah, no matter how rainy and dangerous it is, there are people that are pretty stupid and do stupid things. Now, this one's kind of hard to tell, but this driver right here is tailgating me. It's hard to tell with this camera, but it's about a car and a half behind me only. I could definitely feel him up my ass, so to speak. And I just want to show you how rainy it is again. You know, this is just right after the opening footage. So that's one thing, he's tailgating me in the rain. And then the second thing, he crosses over the yellow line. And the third thing is, I can tell, but you guys can't tell, it's only one driver, so they're in the carpool lane, one car. You are an idiot. Look how fast he's driving in the rain. It's so stupid. Okay, now this award goes to the top postal worker in Los Angeles. Actually, it's the top idiotic postal worker in Los Angeles. He double parks in a two-lane busy street for no reason. He could have just parked right there or there and double parked. So, good job, Mr. Mailman. You needed to get your mail in. Good job. Now, this is kind of funny. This is like a suicidal walker. There he is. Barely see him, but it's a green light, okay? This guy crosses the green light, so all these cars start honking. There he is. And he's all in black. I mean, it's just a really stupid thing to do. I couldn't believe it. And he's just smiling. I mean, you can't tell in the camera footage, but I can see there's a car there that honks finally, that one that stopped, and he's just laughing. It's like, come on, dude, you could have been dead. You could have been laughing dead, just like the Joker's victims. And finally, before I got home, this guy decides to drive fast in the rain. Here he is. And no matter how urgently you need to get to somewhere, you don't drive fast in the rain. The fast turns could spin you out, all that kind of stuff. Speeds ahead. I had a friend that did that, drove really fast and got in an accident, spun out of control, totaled his car. So I know. Okay, guys, check in next week for more stupid drivers.